Good AM. Today is December 28, 2023, Thursday. And here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Shore 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 28, 2023, Thursday. Here are the SL Shore 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, December 28, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of December 28, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.